I think that the proof would have shown that he was aware that the two girls at the time were underage.
Right now, an attorney with connections to one of the defense lawyers in the Vanderbilt football rape trial is himself pleading guilty in an underage sex case. Robertson County attorney Edward Farmer accepting a plea deal that will now require him to be registered as a sex offender. Fox 17 Sky Arnold now joins us live from TBI headquarters where this investigation began. Sky?
Well, Scott, this all actually started with an investigation into Farmer's former law partner, Fletcher Long here, who, of course, is a key attorney in the Vanderbilt Rape Case. Well, while looking into Fletcher Long, those agents discovered some evidence of some troubling acts involving Farmer, his ex-girlfriend, and some teenagers back in 2010.
The indictment tells a story you wouldn't expect to hear involving a Middle Tennessee attorney. It accuses Edward Farmer and his former girlfriend, Catrina Mcquiston, of engaging in sexual activity involving two minors who were both between the ages of 13 and 18. The TBI says those teens were enticed by money to have sex with Mcquiston while Farmer observed.
But it was always his insistence that he was not a participant in it, did not request that any of that activity occur.
Farmer's attorney, Peter Strianse, tells us his client still maintains innocence, despite agreeing to a plea deal. Strianse says his clients made the best interest plea after learning Mcquiston was also pleading guilty and going to testify against him. Under the deal, both will get 6 years of probation instead of the possibility of prison.
The state was going to be able, we believe, to put on sufficient proof to convince a jury that there was this activity, that it did occur, and that he was present when it occurred. As you might imagine, some of those offenses in the indictment carry really harsh penalties and long penitentiary sentences.
Now, beyond probation, Farmer will also have to give up any hope of ever returning back to his practice as an attorney. Again, both he and Mcquiston are going to have to register as sex offenders. Live in Nashville, Sky Arnold, Fox 17 News.